Alright, in this little quick video, or hopefully it's quick, it's going to install a Kleck on the third row of the 2022 Kia Carnival SX in Canada, SX Premium in the US. This has the big lounge seats and also the second row sunroof. So there's actually limited headroom in the third row, something I do want to point out. Third row middle seat belt is in the ceiling, and it does kind of cross over on the passenger side. So with the seat, you may not be able to get someone in the third row here. I got the, double check that when I get it installed. Lower anchors are on the outboard side, so I got one here and one on the other side, but I'm not going to bother with the other side for now. I'm just going to install it on this and see exactly how that all fits. I have a fin fully disassembled already here, and let's see what we can do. I contacted Kia Canada. They suggested the headrest to be fully down when the strap is going over the top. Lower anchors are super easy, which is nice. That clicks in well. And if I was to do the seatbelt as well, I think I already have it undone. Guide. Nice and easy there. Top tether strap, as said, goes over the headrest and the seat. Lower anchors down on the bottom. Tighten that up. And, well, of course I can tighten the seat belt, but yeah, that's the forward-facing FIMF installed. Okay, so I am loading the seats from the rear of the vehicle because there isn't enough room in the front for me to load the seat in. So yeah, I have to open up the trunk here to do so, which is a little bit of a pain. But let's see if I can even get this seat up here. I gotta move it on the side. See if I have room. Bring this seat up. Yep. Foresee that problem. There we go. This up. Okay, and now I go around to put the seat in. Let me just say this is very difficult. The seats in the front don't move any further forward. They don't collapse because this is the lounge seats. Because of that, they're quite a pain. And I can't move around as much as I like. Alright, let's see here. One side is clipped in. Top. All you're seeing is my back. See if I can move this around. One sec. that's better. That's kind of weird. The lower anchor is actually slightly off from where the indicator is. It's actually slightly to the center, so it's actually not the right place. And whoops. There we go. Oh, the headrest has to go up now because I have to have that steady backrest portion. Making sure it's level. I think it's about there. I'll double check it when I get out later. Let me put this in, check, and then I'll see exactly where it's at before I finalize. Okay, that feels good. I'm just going to check the angle. Oh. Okay. Actually, get out. Oh, not comfortable. Okay. Yeah, that's level. That's good. Okay. So that's the third row. Jesus. Installed. Just gonna temporarily place that in here. Not gonna actually put it in. That looks good. All right, let's see how far I can move this seat back. Oh. Okay. Just a tad. There we go. Okay. Okay. So there's still room in front of a rear-facing foof for someone of my height at 5'11" to sit. So let me just show you. So, I mean, headroom's always limited because of this sunroof, but yeah, 5'11", I'm sitting comfortably. There's enough leg room still for me, so not bad. Let me put seats in here now, and I think that's the final bit. I'm going to put the flow in this seat, so I'll be right back. Alright, let's put this flow here. Oh, I wish there's... Oh no. Oh, that's not good. Okay. I may not be able to sit the way that I was sitting before, but let's see here. Let's undo these buckles, get this out of here. just double check. Angle's good. Okay. Angle's still good. All right. That's good. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's installed. Let me move the driver's side seat. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. All right, so Foof in third row, Flow in second, me at 5'11". I'm still able to sit in front of the Foof, and I can sit in front of the Flow. So all across, no problems, still able to fit everyone kind of comfortably. I'm gonna get the Ling in on the passenger side now. Be right back. Okay, Ling base. So these are powered, so I gotta slowly move this back first. There isn't really a thing that tells me if it's upright or not, which is kind of a problem, but that looks about right to me. Let's extend these. Okay, so that can sit right there. Too far. Easy peasy. And then I'm on a slope, so the angle's not fully right, but that'll be it right there. I mean, the Ling is of course the easiest to install, but that's about it. I think. Flow, Foof, Foof, Ling, all strapped down. Height is adjusted. Yeah, I think we're good.